Hey guys, welcome to Testimony. Today, I am going to address the fact that my mic is on the outside of me. No, I have not just given up trying. I am unboxing a mic. So, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is take off this sleeve. It is an off-brand thing, but I don't really care that much. It was 40 bucks and that's all I cared about. Basically, there are two transmitters and one receiver. The receiver either connects to a camera or an audio recorder. In my case, it's an audio recorder. And the transmitters are on each person. I guess this is a lottery ticket that they've given me. I'm not allowed to play, so I'm not gonna do that. Instructions, don't care about those. And here we are. The two transmitters, full metal construction, very high quality feeling. They each have a screen, an antenna, and a microphone jack. So that's very high quality feeling. I'm happy about that. And here is the receiver that goes on the camera end. I'm not seeing any cables, but there's still a couple things left in the box, so hopefully it comes with cables and mics and whatnot. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this looks like a mic, either a mic or a cable. I'm not sure. Let me just rip that. So this looks like a nice, cushy little lavalier mic. See what's in here. This looks like just a male-to-male 3.5 millimeter audio audio cable. Look at that. So that's cute. I think that connects from audio recorder to the receiver. Oh, and I didn't notice this. So each lavalier comes with an extra windscreen. So that's nice, in case you lose one. Here's a second lavalier and its second little windscreen. Some people call it a dead cat, but it's really not that much of a dead cat. And then here we have like a couple micro SD cables. Let's see here. These bags, well, they feel high quality. They're annoying to open, so that's annoying, but whatever. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we're going to power everything up and set it up. Let's go. Okay. So we are going to set up in this phase. First thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unplug my audio recorder from this mic, so you're going to have to hear me through terrible camera mic, but we're going to deal with it. So switch to built-in microphone. Oh, I guess we can just have it go off its built-in microphone. That's nice. So what we are going to do is plug in a mic to one of the transmitters. Whoa. Whoa. I just stopped the audio recording. Okay, we're at the setup phase. So what I'm gonna do is plug in my lavalier mic and plug in my lavalier to this. And we're gonna press and hold this middle button here. Hopefully it comes with a charge. There we go, it looks like it's on channel 57 at 15 megahertz with a 2 out of 3 charge. Then we are going to get the receiver, press and hold. And I don't know what green means, but I think it means that it's connected. I gotta actually look at the instructions. Whoa. Automatically switches. Okay, cool. So it looks like it's connected. What we are going to do is plug our receiver into the into my audio recorder, and then we're gonna do an audio test. I just replayed the audio clips and I realized that I was plugged into the wrong port on the receiver. So basically what I needed to do was plug it in instead of the top port to the bottom port, and then all that static that you may have heard earlier disappeared. So, yeah, now the real outro. Thanks guys for watching. If you disliked this video, you can hit that button, but if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, maybe consider buying the stuff we featured at the links in the video description.